Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Nikadat Mulyani, and you can call me Mary. I am the student of the Bali State Polytechnic. The tourism in the future. If we talk about the tourism in the future, I should talk about the sustainability of tourism itself. Tourism is very easy to develop, especially in our lovely island Bali, as the first tourism destination in the world. In Bali, tourism is growing rapidly, serve our culture, courtesy, and many more. Indonesia has many potential in natural research because Indonesia is agricultural country. So here, in the future, I would like to develop Indonesia, especially Bali, as ecotourism and explore all our culture that we have to build some tourism destination and make the tourists interest to come to Bali and Indonesia. Because nowadays, many tourism destinations are located in the crowded areas such as Seminyak and Kuta. So the question is, why we should build some tourism destinations that are there in the foreign country? But actually, many guests come to Bali to see something different that never they see in the foreign country, that only can see in our lovely island Bali. So the reason why I should build some ecotourism in our Indonesia, especially in Bali, the first one, to calm the quality of tourists. If we develop the ecotourism, we can explore what the natural research have. We can make the tourists to interest to come because they can learn many things about the nature. As long as many tourism come to our country, they can learn and they can make the quality of the tourist can come by herself or himself. The second one, we can minimize the number of urban. In this era, the number of urban is very increasing because they can think that if we go to the town, we can get the prosperity. But if we build some ecotourism in this village, we can make the local people get the job and get the prosperity. So they can go to the city and we can minimize the number of the urban. And the third one, we can minimize the negative impact of the mass tourism. Do you know, ladies and gentlemen, mass tourism is very harmful for our sustainability of the natural research because the mass tourism is always focused how to build something in the city without think about the what happened in the village or in the our natural research. So that's why if we build an ecotourism, we can minimize the negative impact of the mass tourism. And the important things we can give some educate to the guests. Ecotourism, we can conserve any crops and can cultivate any crops. And we can learn about the guests how to cultivate and how to conserve any crops. So that's why the tourists get interest to come to our country, especially in Bali, as the ecotourism in the future. Ecotourism now is very good way because all of the potential we can see in the natural landscape, we can offering the natural landscape, we can relax our mind and enjoy our mind. It get very good as the alternative because it very invoke the farmer skill and also we can very useful for the natural sustainability itself and all. If we build some sustainability of tourism, it can be catch two beasts in the same way. The first one, we can keep the sustainability of tourism itself, and the second one, we can make the tourists to interest to come because they can see something different that we built in the ecotourism itself, ladies and gentlemen. And also, besides that, I would like to explore about the village that Bali have that have a very good culture. Because do you know, Bali have many culture that hide in the village, like Tenganan Pegeringsingan or Trunyan. Both of them culture that very good way and as a first tourism destination now. And nowadays, in the future, if we build some ecotourism in the village, we can explore what the local people do, and we can explore what we have in the village that very useful for our sustainability of tourism itself, ladies and gentlemen. And the government also with the local people can cooperate how can they maintain their village, how can they maintain their natural resource, and it possibly if the sustainability of natural resource and sustainability of our village in Bali can be exist because they are cooperate to how to make the existence of the tourism coming, ladies and gentlemen, in here. And now, so I believe that by those kind of thing advantages, we can give some like positive impact for our lovely island Bali, and we can give many positive impact for the foreign people not to come to Bali to give something different and to learn something different for our country in the future. And Bali as in the future can be most important things and be barometer for the tourism destination in the world. Thank you.